Hey y'all, what is up? It's Reese Tafso back from another video. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the YouTube algorithm, how to grow on YouTube, and how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. So let's get right into this video. Starting off with this video, we're going to start talking about niche and what niche is and why you need a niche. So what is a niche? A niche is something that you mainly focus on, a category that you make videos on, or that you completely just focus on. If you're a YouTuber and you have a niche in the social media field, you are then making videos in the social media field, and that is your niche. Now, how do you find the niche for you? To find the niche for you when you're creating YouTube videos, you need to do something you're passionate about and actually like doing. If you don't have something you're passionate about, you're not going to do good videos on it and you're not even going to try it. It's just going to be a hassle to do, and you don't want to even make a YouTube career out of something you don't like doing. So try and find a YouTube niche that you actually enjoy doing. Now, how I found my niche was I was able to look into all the things I do when I'm bored or when I'm just having fun. I usually go on social media. And with social media, I was able to grow, get a creator pro, and I decided I'd make a niche around getting a big influence on social media, and that's how I found my niche. So starting off, we have our niche. So now that we have our niche, it's time to focus on the videos. Now, how many videos should we be posting a month? How many videos do we need to be posting? And can you take a break? How should you make the videos? When should you make them? So let's get right into this. Creating videos every month. You want to create at least 4 videos a month. Now, I try and do about 3 videos a week because I'm trying to get all the views I can. But starting off, I'd recommend doing 4 videos a month, 1 video a week, and have a specific day that you do it. Always have a specific day that you create your videos because that way people know when to come to your channel, and also have a specific time. This way people know what time to come to your channel, and also the bell. Whenever people turn on the bell for notifications, it's usually around the same time, and people are always expecting when it's about to come out, and you can get as many views in the first 30 minutes to an hour. And when recording your videos, how do you get enough videos for a whole month? Well, there's a few different ways you can do recording. You can record for a whole week, just a bunch of different videos. You can record for a whole day and just change outfits so it doesn't look like you're in the same outfit in every video. Or you can record a video every week, a new video every time you're creating a new video. Now, when you're creating a video, try and have a script or something to go off of. Now, if you're a gaming channel, I recommend doing live streams. Live streams will help you get subscribers fast. You can also get donations, and this way, you can also do it whenever you feel like having a video up, but try and do a live stream at least once a week. Now, when creating your videos, take your time to edit the videos. Actually take about an hour or 2 to actually get the videos created. I'd say maybe 30 minutes to record, and then about an hour and a half of editing. Make sure the video is actually a decent edited video. Now, my videos aren't the best edited, but I actually take my time on editing them. Now, how long does it usually take to record a video? As I said before, 20 to 30 minutes. The editing takes about an hour and a half, but you don't even have to have a big editing software. As long as you have an iPhone and an iMovie, you can record on your iPhone and you can start making videos. Now, how do you get to 1,000 subscribers when you have videos coming out? Well, as long as you're making videos every week, you're going to get subscribers. But the more videos you make, the more subscribers you're going to gain. Try and post 3 videos a week and watch how many subscribers you have. As long as it's good content, you'll actually get subscribers. Another thing to do to blow your videos up would be using hashtags/tags. Now, when you go into YouTube Studio, you can see that you can add tags and you can make your video more relevant. So for all my Snapchat videos, I always use the tag Snapchat, how to Snapchat, and a few other tags along those lines. Those make it so people are more easily able to find your videos. When creating YouTube videos, you also want to make sure you try and make a thumbnail. Now, I've always struggled making thumbnails, and I still do, but I'm trying to get better at the thumbnails that I make, because thumbnails are the first thing that people see, and if people don't like what they see in the thumbnail, they aren't even going to click on the video. So always try and make the best thumbnail that you can make. Take your time, and if you need to, pay someone to make it for you. Sometimes you can ask one of your friends who maybe does editing to make a thumbnail for you, and that's very helpful because they're able to get that thumbnail done in a matter of an hour or less. When uploading your video, put a lot of thought into the title. Make sure the title actually makes sense and is relevant. Try to use up all the characters that you can use because you want to get as many words in there as possible. Use relevant words and also use words that you would use in your tag. When making a description to your video, make sure the description holds contact info, a little bit about the video, and also a few other things such as tags that you can't put in the tag section. The more you post, the more subscribers you will get, as I said before. So when posting, make sure you're posting at least 3 times a week. And as you grow, keep posting more videos. The more videos you post, the more subscribers you'll gain and the more likes you'll get. Try and make your videos longer than 5 minutes, and the longer the videos are, the more likely people are to stick around and watch them. If you want to get monetized on YouTube, you also have to have 4,000 watch hours, meaning that people watched your videos for 4,000 hours worth of time in the past 365 days. If you want to get this, make sure your videos are longer than 5 minutes and people are watching for at least a minute. Alright guys, this was my first time making a YouTube video, at least on how to grow on YouTube and get to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate all of you who have been subscribing to me, and I am trying my best to put out videos as much as I can and not use the same content over and over again. If you guys have any video ideas, please let me know. I'm going to be putting up a few polls for you guys to tell me what you guys think. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions for any videos, just let me know. You can also contact me on Snapchat, and I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you all in my next video.